In this video, we are going to learn how to make a translator. So first, when the green flag is clicked, enter your text in any language. Then we set the original text to answer. Then ask which language do you want to translate it to. Enter your answer in English. And we set the language to the answer. Because notice that if you just go and set language to something, all these are in English. Okay, so that's why we ask the user to enter their answer in English. Then we set the language to answer, and now we set the translated text to translate original text to language. You need to go to the extensions and add this translate. You will also need to add text to speech later. Alright. So now we just set language to English and speak. When original text is translated into language, it becomes, we put no full stop off. And now we set language to the language that they enter and speak translated text. For example, if we enter our text is say hello. Alright. And which language do we want to translate it to? Say, let's just say that we translate it to Spanish. I'm not so sure if you heard it speaking, so let's do another one. Scratch. Wait. Translate that into Spanish. Translate that into no. Let's check Hindi then.
When Scratch Robotics is translated into Hindi, it becomes Scratch Robotics.
Okay, and if you don't believe me, then I can go from English to Hindi. Wait. Yeah.
Scratch Robotics.
And if you look at this one and this one, they look pretty much identical. So we have built a translator. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe.